This question is under ordering of fraction. It's a simple mathematical problem. We want to know the largest fraction here. So we have 3 over 10, 0.5, 1 over 4, and 0.2. So to solve this problem, just convert the decimal fraction to fraction. Convert the decimal to a fraction. Convert the decimals to fraction. To solve this problem, convert the decimals to fraction. So you can rewrite 3 over 10. 0.5 is the same as, you move the point once, that is 10. So it's the same thing as 5 over 10. 1 over 4. Then we have 0.2 is the same thing as 2 over 10. You move the point once, that's 10. So we have 2 over 10. Now to solve this problem, you just need to find the LCM. The LCM of 10 and 4, which are the denominators. The LCM is 20. The LCM means lowest common multiple. So the LCM of 10 and 4 is 20. We're going to, next step is to multiply each of the fraction by the LCM. So you multiply each fraction by the LCM. Here, LCM of 10 and 4 is 20. So when you multiply 3 over 10 times 20, it's the first fraction. 5 over 10 times 20, 1 over 4 times 20, then 2 over 10 times 20. Then how many 10 can we get in 20? 2. 10 in 22. 4 in 20, 5. 10 in 22. So you multiply it out. 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 2, 10. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 2, 4. Then you compare the numbers. This is the largest number. 6, 10, 5, and 4. 10 is the largest among them. So the fraction that gives us 10 is 5 over 10. So out of the fractions, the answer is 0.5, which is the same thing as 5 over 10. So this topic is under ordering of fraction. This is another basic mathematical problem. We have to change 9:35 p.m. to 24-hour clock. As we all know that we have 24 hours in a day. But most of our clock are divided into two, 12-hour, 12-hour. Now we want to change 9:35 p.m. to 12-hour clock. If we are using 12-hour clock, what time is it when it is 9:35 p.m.? How do you say it? How do you write it? So write 9:35 p.m. in 24-hour clock. It's very simple. What you do is just to add 12 to 9:35. So just add 12 to this 9. You're going to get 21. So the time will be 21:35 clock in. Let me explain further. In 12-hour clock, when it gets to 12, this is our clock. When it gets to 12, it will start counting from 1. But in 24-hour, when it gets to 12, it will start counting. It continues to 13, 14, 15. So 14 is 2, 15 is 3, then 16 is 4, while 17 is 5, then our 6 will be 18, 7 will be 19, while 8 is 20, 9 is 21, 10 is 22, 11 will be 23. Then after 23, instead of 24, it will change to 0, 0. That means a day is completed. That makes a day. So that is how it works in 24 hours and also in 12 hours. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. This is an elementary mathematical problem which we are asked to add 4 kilometers and 350 meters together. Our answer must be in meter. If we look at the question, you find out that the two numbers that we want to add together, they don't have the same unit. So the first thing to do is to make sure that they have the same unit, because our answer must be in meter. So to solve the problem, we must convert 4 kilometers to meter. Then you ask yourself, how many meters can we get from 4 kilometers? We can only get 4,000 meters from 4 kilometers, because 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. So we have 4,000 meters plus 350 meters equals 4,350 meters. Because if you add 4, you arrange it 4,350, put your plus here, 0, 5, 3, 4, then we have 4,350. Our answer in meter. It's as simple as that. But you need to have the knowledge of metric system. Metric system is a system of measurements. It is used across the world, whereby we measure length in meter or kilometer. We measure weight in grams or kilogram, and so on and so forth. And to make it easy for you to solve, always make sure that before you perform the basic arithmetic operation, you must make sure the units are the same, so that it will be very, very easy to solve.